Are you searching for the best ultrasonic cleaner? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best ultrasonic cleaner in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Xiaomi Ultrasonic 360 degrees cleaner. Simple operation. With just one button, you can easily turn the high-frequency vibration cleaner on or off, making it ideal for quick and hassle-free cleaning. 360 degrees deep cleaning. Our professional jewelry cleaner machine uses ultrasonic waves to quickly and easily remove dirt and grime from even the tiniest crevices without causing any damage, making your jewelry or other items sparkle like new. High-frequency efficiency. With a powerful 45 kHz frequency and 98.99% cleaning efficiency, our cleaning machine can clean your items in just 3 seconds with a 500 milliliters deep water tank. It operates quietly and reduces noise during cleaning, making it useful for multiple purposes. Powerful ultrasonic waves. Our 360-degree cleaning machine uses strong ultrasonic waves to penetrate deep into your items and remove dirt, dust, and grime from every nook and cranny, giving your items a new lease of life. Wide range of applications. Our jewelry eyeglasses watches cleaner is suitable for cleaning a wide range of items, including braces, combs, razors, jewelry, pacifiers, makeup tools, pens, metal cutlery, watch straps, nail clippers, toothbrushes, glasses, and more.